Today's cook's all about lamb. We've got a beautiful Tasmanian Lamb Rack here running at about 1.5 kilos. Nice bit of marbling through there. That's high quality lamb. I know it was probably married to its sister and had 2 heads, but hey, just kidding, folks. Can't resist a Tassie joke, but this is already looking good and I haven't even unwrapped it. I'm going to get it out of the pack, score the fat side, and then marinate it with my cheeky mint sauce hack, which is literally mint jelly from Coles, splash of red wine vinegar, some pre-chopped garlic, salt flakes, and cracked pepper. I'm just going to put it in there, put it in a sous vide bag, and let it sit at about 50 degrees in there for about 3 hours in my usual way before chucking it on La Parilla grill. So let's see where this one takes us. So here we go, step 2. This lamb has been sitting in the sous vide for about 3 hours. I put some foil around the bone ends of the lamb rack because I don't want them piercing the cryovac bag. I've cut the cryovac open and now let's just tip that stuff out. And there we go, there's some nice sauce in there. But you can see here, look how juicy that is already. It's got some sauce, natural sauce there. That's cooked to about a rare, and the fat is nice and soft and glistening. So that's just going to go straight on to the grill and give it some nice, beautiful charcoal flavour. Can't wait to smash this. It's going to be freaking awesome. Wow, listen to that sizzle. That's the lamb rack. Tasmanian lamb. It is smelling amazing thanks to the beautiful mallow root charcoal just glistening up on La Parilla. And yep, we all know vegans are going to miss out on this. Veganism is definitely a mistake, that's for sure. So look at this. I've just turned that over now. Let's have a look at that. Have a look at that colour and that glisten. It is just freaking magnificent. And you know, the only thing that's going to make this better is some of the Bellarine's finest. We're going with a single vineyard 2016 Pinot Noir from down the end of the Bellarine at Surrender. They're the guys just opposite Jack Rabbit. Beautiful views over the bay. And cheers kids. Can't wait to cut this bad boy up and enjoy it. Good health to you all. Juicy, 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 juicy. Shit, yeah, that looks amazing.